Andrew Potocnik. If you're doing any large turning or you need extra support either for spindle turning or faceplate turning, you need a live centre. A live centre consists of a tapered shaft, which is referred to as a number 2 Morse taper, and a ball bearing guide and centre point. The shaft goes into the quill of your headstock, and the wedging action of the number 2 Morse taper holds it in place. If you're doing very heavy work, you might consider using one of these kits. What sets this live centre apart? The fact that inside this housing is a triple stacked set of ball bearings, which means that it's capable of carrying a lot more weight than a normal standard live centre. The hollow inside here goes right through the shaft of the item, and the reason why this end is hollowed is because you have a variety of these little points that you can just pop inside depending on what you're doing and what your needs are. When you need to remove the centre cone, all you do is you take this little knockout bar, feed it through the shaft and push the item out. And then you're ready to change over to whichever centre you need. Because the shaft of this live centre is hollow, that gives you the option of, once it's fitted into the tailstock, you can feed a drill bit or a large auger right through the tailstock, through the centre and into a piece of wood that you're turning. So for heavy duty work, this centre is going to give you the versatility that you need. So for more information, click on the link below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Andrew Potocnik. I'll see you next time.